The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been leaked, revealing an actual working phone in gray. The images shared by David and X show the phone from the front and back, resembling the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but with a flat screen, enhancing durability and reducing the need for costly screen protectors. The back features a matte finish and a new titanium frame, making it lighter and more durable. The design is similar to the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, but might look better in person. Samsung is entering the AI-powered smartphone era with the Galaxy S24 series. They're holding an AI-focused press conference at CES 2024 next week, led by Jang Heen, Vice Chairman, CEO, and Head of Samsung Device Experience. The event will be at CES 2024 in Las Vegas and streamed on Samsung's YouTube channel. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to have improved photography features, especially at 10x zoom. It's expected to feature 4 rear cameras, a 200 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, a 10 megapixels telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom. It will be officially announced on January 17th. Samsung has also revealed exclusive color options for the Galaxy S24 Ultra available through their online store: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. Each color adds a unique character to the phone. The blue and green versions have black middle frames, while the orange version has a silver frame. Early reservations for the Galaxy S24 series come with a $50 credit on Samsung's store. The standard Galaxy S24 will have a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED OLED display, the latest M13 OLED panels, a 12 megapixels punch-hole front camera, and a 50 megapixels primary camera. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 with 8 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes storage. The expected price is between $850 to $900. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a 6.7-inch display, 12 gigabytes of RAM, up to 512 gigabytes storage, and a 4,900 mAh battery, priced around $1,050. The Ultra model boasts a 6.8-inch display, a 200 megapixels primary lens, and a 5,000 mAh battery, with prices starting at $1,250. These models highlight Samsung's commitment to design, functionality, and AI technology. The series is ideal for those upgrading from older S models or considering your first S phone. More details will emerge as the launch approaches.